Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript classes. A class is a blueprint for creating objects with predefined properties and methods. It encapsulates data for the object. In TypeScript, you can use classes to create object-oriented code. The syntax for classes: first we want to define a class and then class name, and then I want to give a property name. Just we want to give a type and a constructor. Parameter 1, and then I want to give an initialization. This dot property name equal to parameter 1. Like that we can give as many properties. Next, methods. Method name and then method body. This was the syntax for class. Now I will show you the real code how to create. For that, class person and the properties name, string and age, number, and a constructor string age number. This dot name equal to name, this dot age equal to age, and then I want to create a method greet console.log. This dot name and I am this dot age years old. Now I will create an object of type person. Let John person equal to new person and age is 30. Now I will call the greet method John dot greet. Now if I say this, see in the main method also we have got the person of class and a function. Now if I run this, node me. See, I am getting hello. My name is John and I am 30 years old. Like this, we want to use class. In this in this code, we define a class person with properties name and age. We define a constructor that initializes the name and age property when a person object is created. We define a method greet that logs a greeting message to the console using the name and age property of a person object. We created an object John of type person using the keyword and pass a John and 30 as argument to the constructor. We call the greet method of the on the John object. This will output hello, my name is John and I am 30 years old. Next we are going to see about inheritance. For this, class student extends person. Next, the property grade it of string and a constructor name string age number grade this dot grade equal to grade. Greet console log hello, my name is this dot name, I am this dot age, old, I am in. Next, I am going to create an object of type student. Let student1 next I am call the greet method of the student1 dot greet. If I save this and if I run, see I am getting hello, my name is Alice, I am 15 years old and I am in grade 9th. And in this tutorial we have covered how to define class in TypeScript, including properties, constructor, methods and inheritance. Understanding class is essential for writing object-oriented code in TypeScript. Thank you.